Yo, peace family, it's Qasim Zone. I'm back at it again, bringing that good info for the public, making sure that we stay sucker free, making sure that these police abide by the real law and the constitutional laws, that they uphold it. Now, I'm gonna tell you what you're looking at in a second, right? So, last week I witnessed one of my good friends, on Main Avenue in Burgess Place in Passaic. Now, there was a narcotics task force truck, two agents in there, all right, police agents in there. There was in a black Chevrolet truck, right? Now, I as I was coming out of the barber shop, I watched them harass the public by circling the block more than 5 times. Now, clearly, they were not looking for anyone, all right? Clearly, they wasn't looking for anyone, right? So, as I was paying attention, I watched the narcs jump on the sidewalk. They're using their vehicle to jump on the sidewalk illegally and jump out and detain a good friend of mine, right? So, at the end of the altercation, they arrested my friend, right? Now, I'm going to keep his name anonymous. So, they did an illegal search and seizure. They violated his constitutional rights, in which I'm pretty sure he's not very well informed of. And I took it upon myself, instead of engaging with the officers, I just took it upon myself to find out about the situation in the event publicly. Now, I told you before that it's the public duty to request Oprah requests when they are engaging a police officer at any time. So Oprah requests are requests from the police departments or any governmental agencies who has information on any public records to release to the public. Now, this is your right to do this. So if a cop lock you up, you have a right to get the police report, to get the incident report, to get the body cam footages, to get the 911 call, and everything else that exists, in order for the police to have what we call a consensual encounter, right? Or an investigatory stop. Okay? Now, as you can see, what you're looking at right now is an Oprah request for that particular event. I requested this from the city clerk. Yes, it is free. All right. And yes, it is open to the public. All right. Now, police, like I told you before in prior videos, if you are paying attention, police will make up shit to have a consensual stop or an investigatory stop in order to detain you illegally and then search you in hopes of finding evidence of contraband such as narcotics. And then you down at the police station with a warrant and so on, with extra charges, and now you're going to jail for an event that should have not taken place. Okay? Now, I'm pretty sure the cops lied to him. I'm pretty sure the cops told him someone called, when in fact, you are looking at the Oprah request form right now with the event information. And it states here, as it relates to this Oprah request, no body cam footage or 911 call exists. I have, however, attached the police and arrest reports pertaining to the records sought. Therefore, the particular request is considered complete. Now, I have not yet read the rest of the attached form of the event that took place that day. But clearly, the police has violated this man's rights, and they have violated the policy by not putting on their body cam. Now the question is, why wouldn't they not put on a body cam? Okay? And in order for them to make an investigatory stop, they had to have a 911 caller or somebody out there calling for their assistance. In this situation, there is no body cam footage or 911 call that existed. Passaic, wake the fuck up. Wake the fuck up. These police officers' time is up. Wake the fuck up, okay? Wake up. Wake up and We on their ass. We are on their ass. I keep y'all informed.